Hello, this is my W124 E280 that I've just purchased. Collected it yesterday and drove it 60 miles home. It drove perfectly. Purchased this off of eBay for £721. It does need some work, but I'm just going to be documenting progress via videos. Just going to show you around it. It's 904 dark blue with mushroom MB text interior and walnut trim. The interior is quite grubby, but it's all in good condition. Original mats. It's got the driver and passenger airbag. Air conditioning doesn't work. And it's done 123,000 miles. The headlining is sagging a bit. Rear again, rear mats. Again, it's all just a bit dirty. There's the boot. Toolkit present, a cover for the radio. And there is some rust down in the spare wheel well, which I'll be cleaning out. Here's the straight six. I think the bonnet's all right. The front wings have the normal rust there. Bit of a dent down there, so that'll be done. Dent here, so I think this door needs replacing, along with this door with the rust. And I thought the boot was all right, but there's a little bit of rust here, and that's cracked. I didn't spot that either. Lacquer's gone on the top of the wing there, and on the top of this door. And again, there's a bit of corrosion there. All the glass is good. And the wiper works, but only on the 2 fastest settings. There we go, I'll update again shortly.